Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing my food diary layout in my Walmart pen+gear traveler's notebook. It is approximately B6 size, and I'm using actually a Dollar Tree insert that fits inside of the pen+gear traveler's notebook for my food diary. This is last week, which was the week of Halloween. I still need to fill in the weekend. And I have made a little bit more progress in decorating this planner. And even though I have the skulls for this notebook and this folder, I think I may leave it for a little while and then come in and do something for Christmas. I think I'm going to leave it for most of November. I don't mind the skulls, so. And this is what the front looks like for now. This is the back. I took some things out to laminate. I've been laminating a lot this morning. I guess I can share that. So I've got this sheet. And let me tell you where the dolls are from. I don't think this shop is open anymore. This cup is from Coco's Vision. So is the pink hair doll. This is my die cut. This is my illustration. This is from Gold Mine and Coco. JD in Brooklyn, JD in Brooklyn, JD in Brooklyn. Is the rest of these. So it's just a variety of things. These dashboards are from Simply Me Kish. This is from Gold Mine and Coco. I did these on the Recolor app. Those three. And this is the last one I'm going to show. This is from the Recolor app, Gold Mine and Coco, and then Coco's Vision. So I'll be cutting those out. Some of those will be going in or back in here. I just wanted to laminate them to keep them sturdy and so they'll last longer. So we'll be moving on from October to the first week of November, the first full week of November. And I did some printables, something I haven't done in a while as far as stickers. These are available in the shop now. It comes in an 8.5 by 11 sheet, and I just cut it down in the center for easy storage. But you have these orange pumpkins that are available, and I'll be probably using them in my spread today. And I have these natural pumpkins. I have this more intense one, and then just the regular version. These are in the shop as well. And then this one isn't in the shop yet. I printed it as a test. Before I put these in the shop, I want to see how I like them in a layout. So I'll either be using them in my food diary layout or my catch-all planner, but these may be available in the shop by the time you see this video. And I'm also going to be using my faux memo to print my day of the week stickers. If you saw my daily plan with me, and I will link it in the eye above, you saw that I printed out some day of the week stickers using the faux memo. I was printing those out in individual files. What I did is put it all in one file so that I only have to print one time. And I think that's going to work out better. So I'm just connecting my phone to the device. And I'm going to go to the faux memo app. And if you want to see the full review that I did on faux memo, I will link that in the eye above as well. And I'm going to go, here's the app. Let me increase the brightness so you can see. So this is what the app looks like. And I'm going to go to print image. Then I'm just going to find my image, which is my days of the week. And it's the whole list, so Monday through Sunday. And then I'm just going to tell it to print. It's going to connect to the printer. And print one more time. I'm going to go thick. And done. So, and I also gave myself some little cut lines so that I can easily see where I need to cut. And yeah, I can just keep doing this over and over and over again. So let me turn this off because I don't want to have to charge it. There we go. So these are ready to go. Okay, I'm having a little issue with colors. So I'm not sure what color scheme I want to go with. And if I use her, I definitely have to do orange. So I can't do the natural, but the natural looks better with my leaf garland. But I think I'm just going to play around. I might not be able to use the leaf garland unless I use it in the header. Okay, so I have all of this to work with. Plus I pulled out the Colorful Boxes sticker book. These, and then I also have this washi. This is the black washi from Simply Gilded with the rose gold, and then these are rose gold and peachy colored. So I thought that might work without just going full out orange. I think I'm gonna use this one. Oops. Ugh. I tore the pumpkin off her hand. Okay, so we don't need her anymore. We'll put that away. And for up here, kind of want to use those lights, but I also want to use the thankful. Use one from the bottom. I'm thinking I should put something up there with that. Let's see. How about one of my pumpkins? It's not the same color orange, but I think it's close enough. So let's go ahead and put down the washi tapes. I probably should have did that first. probably going to be a lot going on this spread. So. Again, I got these from a freebie from websterspages.com. So I just kind of pulled off of the sheet that it came on and just print and cut what I needed. And I think I'll be using these a lot because they're really cute. And maybe I didn't need those green bows because it's not the right color green anyway. Put another pumpkin down. Kind of tie things in together. Let's do the days of the week, and I think we'll be done. The natural color probably would have been better with the rose gold, but it is what it is. We are done. Let's see. What else do I have over here that could be interesting on these? I'm probably gonna need to print cut a bunch of these bows because I can. Why is this with me ripping stickers today? Because I can already tell I will be using these like crazy. They are so cute and just clean and classic. I like that. Too bad I ripped that one. Let's see if we can salvage it. Okay, I think that's gonna do it. I'll have to figure out something to put right there to cover that up. Maybe I'll come across something throughout the week that I can use there. But I'm not gonna worry about it for now. Let's pop this back in and slide it on. And there we go. Oops. Okay, it looks kind of cute. I can live with that. Just turn my clip around so you can see it. Yeah, not so bad. Okay, so that's it for this week's food diary plan with me. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.